Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Take a look at this boat. It's actually a dark blue panel with black accent, and it's got that cool moonlight gray interior. Alright, this one is powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke V8. Coming to the back of the boat here, you see this is going to be a single lounger dual helm. So you got a co-captain seat, you got this single lounger back here. Also have the safety rail. Alright. Turn this into a rear-facing lounger just by doing that. Or you can even lay it down flat and do a sun bed. Okay, as you move into the cockpit here, you see the co-captain seat is bolster, as well as the captain's seat on this. Up here we have the Simrad Go 9 glass dash, 9-inch screen, wireless charging, and this one has the JL audio upgrade. So you're going to have 6 speakers, an amp, and a sub. Take a look at the boat up front here. A lot of seating in here and storage underneath all of these seats, as well as in floor and under the helm there. Alright. Once again, Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this all-new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks. Have a great day.